Hi, my name is Avilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I have started this channel recently where I share daily market analysis just before the market opens, and I also share important market related information. And please do not mind because I do not have any professional setup. I'm doing this from the comfort of my home. Right now a festival is going on in my place, so there will be extra background noise, so please do not mind. So without any delay, let's get started. So stocks that you need to look today. Okay. Today is 16 February 2021. So the first stock that I have is RY, Royal Bank of Canada. As you can see on the screen, I'm using a candlestick chart, 15 minutes time frame. I'm going for 15 minutes time frame because this analysis is for day trading purpose only, not for investment purpose. Okay, that's why I'm using a smaller time frame like 15 minutes. I'm just using an indicator, stochastic RSI indicator. I won't be using the indicator for analysis much. Okay, they are just like my friends. They are always there. Okay, so Royal Bank of Canada right now trading at 106.20. It's not, and there is a resistance at 103 level. Okay, so this particular zone is a resistance zone, and this particular zone is the support zone. Okay, 105. 105 is the support price, and 107 is a resistance price. Okay, right now trading at 106.20. So what should we do? As of now, don't do anything. Let the market open and just see where it opens. Okay, if it opens gap up, okay, if it opens gap up, and let it go towards the 107 level. Okay, let it go towards the 107 level, and if it goes down also, or after opening gap down, okay, let it go to the support level 105 level. After that, you just observe what it does. If after reaching the 107 level, if it shows reversal sign, then you can short the market. And after hitting the 105 level, if it shows some price rejection from below, then you can go ahead and buy. Okay. This will be a buying opportunity at 105 and selling opportunity at 107 for today. And if the market consolidates between this 105 and 107 level, you should not trade. Okay, right now there is not much volatility in the market, so you should avoid. So what is the second stock? The second stock is BNS, the Bank of Nova Scotia. Okay, right now trading at 71.01, round figure 71. So it has a good support at 70.27, and this is the resistance zone. 71.2 is the resistance zone, and the stock is right now almost trading at the resistance zone. So today's opening will be very crucial. Okay, if it opens at the closing price, then just wait and watch where it goes. If it goes to the resistance zone and shows some reversal sign, then you can short the market. And if it opens at the resistance, and if the price fails to sustain, and if it goes down, then also you can short the market. And if it opens gap down and reaches the 70.2 level, I'm talking about the support level, this particular level, then this is a very good position to buy. But do not forget to get the confirmation with the help of your indicator, candlestick pattern, or whatever. Okay, so this level you can mark the levels, or you can just pause the video and take a screenshot or whatever. You can also write down the levels, it's up to you. Let me check the second stock. Actually, I have noted down these stocks in my mobile. Okay. Sorry, the next stock is Brookfield Asset Management. Okay. So Brookfield Asset Management right now trading at 54.49, and it has a good support at 51.83. And in the previous trading session, it made a high of 55.33 or 35, and the price failed to sustain there and it just came down. Okay. So today, after the market opens, if the price opens gap up or gap down, whatever, if it goes to this particular level, the previous day's high, if it goes to the previous day's high, there is a chance that it may uh, fail to sustain again and it may go down. Okay, in that case also you can short the market, or you can buy put if you are aware of call and put future and options. You can also sell the futures, and if the market opens gap down, and there is a chance that uh, it will come down to this particular support zone 51.86. Then also if it shows some price rejection from below, then also you can go ahead and buy. Okay, there is another possibility here. The another possibility here is that, see here, this is a very big gap. Okay, so there's a possibility that market may open here in this range, gap down in this range, and it may go down. Okay, it may go down and it may bounce back from this particular level of 53.45 or 53.5. Okay, I'm talking about this particular level. Okay. From this particular level, there is also a chance that price may bounce from there. So in that case, you just need to observe if after hitting the 53.5 level, if it shows some rejection or some reversal, it's a thumbs up. And again, if it reaches the 55.3 level and shows some rejection from above, definitely it's a short. Okay, let's jump to the next stock. CDN. Where is CDN? CDN and CM. Mhm. I think CDN was a different stock. Probably I have missed. Sorry, I'm extremely sorry. A C D. Is it C and Q? I was doing, probably, this is the stock. Yeah, CDN. Yeah, CDN is written. Yeah, I'm extremely sorry for wasting your time. Do not mind. Actually, I was so much in hurry that I wrote it down wrong. Okay. Anyways, actually, see, there is not much level to discuss in this particular stock. I just want to show you the nice uptrend the stock is showing. Okay. Uh, this kind of stocks are very good for short-term trading, for say for 7 days, 10 days. Okay, you just need to stay invested in this kind of stocks as long as the price is above these 50-period moving average. You can open a free account in tradingview.com and just put a 50-period moving average. And if you're already having a trading account, then and if you have got charts and all, definitely you'll get the 50-period moving average there also. Okay, so in this type of stock, when the trend is very clear, then you can stay invested as long as the stock is above the 50-period moving average. Once it crosses the moving average, we can come out. Simple strategy. And try to grab the stock when it bounces from the 50-period moving average. That will be the perfect entry. Okay. So you can note down the CDN natural also. The next stock is CM. Okay, Canadian Imperial Bank of Commerce. Right now trading at 113.43, and extreme support is seen at 112.50, and quite a resistance at 113.71. Okay. I have shown this sign because the support is much stronger in comparison to the resistance. So, today there may be a breakout also if it gives a breakout. Okay, if it crosses this particular zone, 113.7 zone with good amount of volume. Okay, you need to observe the amount of volume also. If it crosses this particular zone, then also you can go ahead and buy according to your strategy. There are traders who buy immediately. There are some traders who buy after seeing a pullback. So it totally depends on the strategy. I'm just saying that there is a resistance here, 113.71. If it crosses the resistance comfortably, then it's a buy. Okay, you can buy according to your own strategy. That's it. And if it comes down after reaching this resistance zone, if it comes down to this particular support zone 112.50, then there is a chance that it will bounce from here. In that case, you can buy, and if it reverses from here, you can short. If it gives a breakout, if it crosses this particular zone, then you can buy. Just remember, it should give a breakout with proper volume, good amount of volume, and it should be the trend should be good. Okay, that's it. And you can buy according to your own strategy. I won't comment on that. Okay, and if the selling pressure is too high, if it crosses below this level also, then also you can short the market. Okay, it's up to you. And next stock is FNV. I'm extremely sorry, your actually I'm very much grateful to you all guys because I do not edit videos. Okay, my setup is very crappy. Still, you are watching the video, and I'm very much thankful to you all guys. Anyways, Franco Nevada Corporation. Franco Nevada right now trading at 121.15. Good support at 118.79. Um, Again, good resistance available at 125.31. So, if market opens gap up here, if it tries to goes up also, it will face resistance at 124.6 also. Before 125.31, it will face resistance here also. So, if you're looking for a position in Franco Nevada, I'll say that if it goes down to this support level or 118.79, then it's a buy with confirmation. It should give a price rejection from below. And if it crosses this particular selling zone also, or sorry, support zone, then also you can short the market. And if it goes up, you can short the market if it shows some price rejection from below, and if it reverses from there. That's it. Next stop, Loblaw. Loblaw has an extreme support available at this particular zone, 61.85 to 61.39. This zone is quite a solid support zone of this stock. So whenever you'll find this stock, today, tomorrow, or day after tomorrow, if it comes down and bounces from this particular zone, if you spot some reversal, obviously I'll come tomorrow again to analyze. If it's shows reversal from this particular point today, then definitely it's a buy. uh, just do not forget to get a confirmation. But by looking at the stock, I feel that if by any chance today low blow comes down to the support level also, there's a good chance, there's a heavy chance that it will bounce from there. Okay, next stock. So the next stock is National Bank of Canada. National Bank of Canada, you can see that there are four lines I have drawn. 4.5 if you include this small blue line. So I told you there's a function going on. They are shouting. Anyways, 73 right now trading at 72.65. Okay, if it opens here, then chance is there that it will go up. If it goes down, it will hit this level. If it goes up, it will hit this level. Okay, so just remember, if it goes down to 73.04 level, it will the previous day high will give a resistance. Okay, it will tell no, you cannot go easily. I'm there. Okay, so there is a chance that it may reverse from there. Okay, so you need to be careful at 73 level, and if it goes down to 72.49 level, then also there is a support available, so do not short blindly. Okay, if it reaches this level, if you spot price reversal, then you know what to do. It's a thumbs up. And if after reaching this level, if it shows some reversal sign, then you can short the market. And suppose it opens above this line. Okay, suppose it opens above this line, or it opens at 73 level and breaks this level easily, then also you can enter the market. Okay, then also you can enter the market if it breaks this level comfortably. But do remember or just keep in mind the word comfortably. Okay, uh, if it's after breaking this particular resistance level, if it stays above this level or trades above this particular level for 50-20 minutes, then you can buy. Your next target would be 73.60 level. You're getting my point. Okay, I'm repeating again. If it breaks this particular level comfortably, then let it trade above this level for 15-20 minutes. Okay, then you can go ahead and buy, and your target would be 73.60. Simple. And if it breaks this particular support, then also do not if it do not jump into the trade blindly. Let it stay below the radar for 15-20 minutes. Let it trade below this particular support zone. Let the support become the resistance. uh, you just need to wait for 15-20 minutes when you'll see that yes, right now it is trading comfortably below that previous support, or then you can short the market and your next target would be 71.75. That's it. Okay, so these are the stocks for a day. Just remember, you don't need to trade on all the stocks. You just need a single stock or max to max two stocks for a day to make money. That's it. uh, Good luck. And if you've liked the video and found it informative, then please like the video and share your views on the comment section, and do subscribe if you would like to stay ahead of the market, because I'll come down tomorrow again just before the market opens with the analysis. And if you want to learn the art of trading, we have strategies, courses, workshops. You will learn a hell lot of things. Okay, the link is in the description. You can check out my website. There are many things available. Okay, and please subscribe the channel to stay ahead of the market and to know what to do tomorrow and the possibilities of the market. Okay, thank